In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a watch list in Tradingview. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or starting fresh with a new set of stocks or trading instruments, cleaning out your watch list can be a crucial part of maintaining an organized trading strategy. So, let's dive right in and learn how to tidy up your Tradingview platform. First things first, we need to navigate to the Tradingview website. Head over to tradingview.com and log into your account if you aren't already. Tradingview is an incredibly popular platform among traders due to its powerful charting capabilities and user-friendly interface. Once you're in, you're one step closer to managing your watch lists effectively. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Now, let's move on to the next step by clicking on Supercharts. The Supercharts feature in Tradingview is where all the magic happens for traders, offering a wide array of charting tools and customization options. It's really the heart of Tradingview's analytical power. Once you've clicked into Supercharts, locate the Watchlist view panel. On this panel, you'll notice various options, including a delete icon. If your goal is to swiftly remove a particular watch list from your view, simply click on this delete icon. This option provides a quick way to manage your watch lists, especially if you need to make rapid changes during your trading sessions. Alternatively, if you're aiming to clear everything within a specific watch list, you can take a slightly different approach. Find the watch list section within the Supercharts interface and select the watch list you wish to modify. You may have several watch lists created for different strategies, so ensure you select the correct one. Once you're in the desired watch list, look for the option labeled Clear List. Clicking this will delete all the entries within that watch list, giving you a clean slate to start over. By following these steps, you should now have successfully deleted a watch list or cleared its contents within Tradingview. Remember, maintaining a clutter-free watch list can significantly enhance your trading efficiency, allowing you to focus solely on the instruments that matter most to your current trading strategies. So there you have it. Deleting a watch list in Tradingview is a straightforward process, but one that helps keep your trading environment neat and organized. I hope this guide was helpful and you'll feel more confident in managing your Tradingview workspace. As always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy trading.